Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Sandhya Kedekar. In this pandemic situation, we all are missing that offline classroom situation where we used to interact one-to-one with the students, and we used to use all the teaching aids and chalkboards and smart boards. But in online mode also, we can use all those boards very effectively. So I have gone through two websites, very wonderful things. First is classroomscreen.com and second is whiteboard.fi. So I'm going to show you demo of both. We can use this as a very good app while teaching online in teaching learning process. If we want to show the chalkboard, we want to draw the images, we want to insert the picture, and at the same time we want to give that classroom impact and we want to make it very effective. So these both the apps or websites can be used effectively. So let me share my screen with you all. We will see the Google and type classroomscreen.com. And after typing this, you can go on the page of classroom screen, and this kind of page will be visible. It's very easy to install. You just have to launch the new classroom, and after launching, it will just show you page like this. And very beautiful features this classroom screen is having. You can see few options here. If I want to change this background of the screen, I just go on the background and you will see many photos, still photos and some animations also. You can click on any and your background image will get changed. But I always prefer animation because animation gives you different impact. I will show you how. Suppose I click on this image and you can see here on this image, this is an animated image. And while teaching in classroom, student might get impact that they are sitting on the seashore and water is coming towards them. It's like wave of knowledge. That knowledge is coming towards them, and very beautiful animations classroom screen is having. You can select any. There is second option called random names. Suppose I want to type something, I can type hello, or I can choose any option here. Then dice is there. Then if you are playing any game with the students, you can choose this option of dice, and it is very much useful in the quiz also. There is one more option, student sound level. Suppose in the classroom students are making any noise. So this will show you actually the level of the noise, and you can press on this bell icon. If noise is more, the bell icon, it will have some sound, and students will come to know that we are making more noise and they will keep quiet. This is one of the beautiful option. So I am making this disable. Okay. So next is draw. Before that, QR code is there. I will tell you that later. In text box, you can type anything. You can choose any pen. You can choose the color, and you can type or write anything you want. Suppose I want to say hi to my students, or I want to draw some diagram. I can do that with help of
these two. Then next is work symbol. Very beautiful feature it is. Suppose on the screen, if you want students should be silent, so you can enable this symbol. There is one more option, that is whisper. You can ask students to speak slowly. There is ask neighbor. If they have to discuss something, they can ask to their neighbor. And if they are doing any group activity, you can have this symbol enable, that is work together. Then next is traffic light. It is one of the beautiful feature of this classroom screen. If any quiz is going on, or you are doing any examination, you can ask student to stop. Just click on this button. This red button means stop. You can ask student to wait by this yellow color, and you can ask student to start or go with this color. So this is one of the nice feature of classroom screen. Then we have timer here. You can put timer for any examination or any activity. You can keep stopwatch. Stopwatch facility is also there. Then we have clock here. If you want to enable clock on your screen, you can enable this clock over here. And we have calendar also. If you want to give some schedule, timetable of the next week or any other schedule, or if you want to show any demo, you can use this calendar over here. And there is one option right side here, that is, if you don't want all these icons here, you can ask students it's not there, or you can again enable it. And this one, this QR code is there. If you want your students to join the class, you can ask your students, just go open your mobile, scan this QR code and join the class. So they will be easily able to join your class with the help of this QR code. So these beautiful features are there, and it's freely available by friends, and it can be used effectively in teaching learning purpose. Then I will be showing you one more technology tool, that is whiteboard.fi. Just go on the Google and type whiteboard. .fi and visit the page of this website, and here you can see the options new, join. We have not created any class yet, so we will say new class, and you just have to type your name. So I'll type my name, Sandhya K, and enable waiting room lobby, enable image upload for students. You can check any you want and create new class. Okay. So after creating class, it will allow me to use my class and my whiteboard. This is the room code. This code I can give to my students, and my students can join with me in this whiteboard. Okay. So here already I had done some work. So I'll clear this whiteboard, and let us see what we can do here. Here you can see free drawing mode is there. So you can use it for, you can select it, and you can draw whatever you want. Okay. Then there is an eraser. If you want to erase it, you can erase. There is draw text. You can draw a text box and you can type anything if you want to type here. Lines and arrows are also there. You can select any line and you can put the line here. Then some figures are there. So if you want to draw a triangle, you can have it. If you want to draw a rectangle, you can draw a rectangle. If you want to draw a circle, you can have circle here. Some other shapes are also there. If you want to insert an image, for example, I want to insert this image of a child sitting on the chair with mobile. I can insert this image here, and if I want to insert background image, for example, this is a background image of stay home, stay safe. I want to put it back, on the back side, on the background. You can put it here. So some color combinations if you want to select. So I have chosen this color and I want to have this kind of shape. So colorful boxes I can put some text box inside and I can write. So whatever things you want to do, it works like your chalkboard, and it's very easy to use it. It is very user friendly, and children or students, they really like this kind of thing. So whiteboard, just visit whiteboard.fi and create your classroom, share the room code with your students and enjoy this facility.